boat ride, guys. Tyler first boat ride. He was a little bit scared to come on the boat, but he's sitting now and he's fine. So let's see how it's gonna go. We should go for like an hour ride to see around, so it should be a good day. Give them high five. Hey! Blow them kisses. Mwah. Hey! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, welcome to another vlog. GPS in my way. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday. Welcome to another vlog, another adventure, a brand new day. And today is about to be awesome. It is sunny, it is hot. GPS. It's sunny, it's hot, it's beautiful, and we're not home. We are in another city around Nice. It's called Antibes. It's another heavy touristic city. So we're here today about to explore, about to get in some real French sun and French adventure. So baby's driving. Tyler is in the back as usual, chilling, and we're almost at our destination. So today is about to be awesome. We're ready for the day. We're ready to enjoy this Sunday. We're ready to enjoy this adventure, and of course we're taking you guys along with us. Okay, you guys, so we are here and we are at the beach. We're along the beach. Look how sweet baby's looking, you guys. Oh my god, he's looking so hot, and I'm being real ratchet right now because he doesn't look too sexy. He looked like a cha-cha boy. Oh, there you go with the Jamaican expression for today. Oh my god, it's sand. You guys, it's not stoned, but it's sand. It's no stone, it's all sand. So I'm sure Tyler is gonna have a ball. And I didn't bring his shovel for the bucket. Oh my god, I bring the bucket and the thing to take up the water, but I didn't bring the shovel. But yeah, this beach is sand. It's like 20 minutes away from home, and we're here, and it's so beautiful out. There's so much people out too. You guys can see behind me as we're passing. So there you guys, I'm going with the Jamaican expression for today's cha-cha boy. Because babe's totally playing that role. Say babe. Cha-cha boy. Yes. So babe's been a total hottie today. So yeah, we're out here, and I didn't plan on putting on my swimsuit, but honey, I'm about to go in on my swimsuit today, regardless of whatever. So yeah, we're here, and it's looking really beautiful, and we're gonna enjoy this day and take you guys along every single beat. So let go. My hat man, honey, you're so freaking sweet today. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Choo choo, you're so sweet. You have my phone, right? You guys, you see all these boats out here? We're gonna go on a boat tour in about an hour and a half, and I think this is one of the boats we're gonna go on. So pretty. Snack shop here, a lot of snack shop along the beach walk. So beautiful out. So much people, so much activity, so much apartments, and I'm sure some of these are hotels. No, babe? Or just apartments? They look like apartments to me. So you guys, we're actually pausing to have lunch real quick, and then we're going to go on this boat over here, this yellow one. Let's see if you guys can see it. This one, I think this boat we're gonna go on in just a minute. So we're going on this boat ride. Baby's behind me, coming right now, and we're gonna have some fun. There should be a good time on this boat. So let's see. Bonjour.
Vous êtes français?
Oui. Ah, elle est anglophone, moi français.
D'accord, donc vous comprenez, d'accord. Si vous voulez, on la passe entière comme ça. Sinon, on la plie, c'est comme vous voulez.
Soit on la plie, soit on la...
Soit on la laisse se déplier.
Wait, baby, wait. Come. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're going for like an hour ride. This is that the view is not so beautiful out today, but we're still gonna go anyway. So it should be a good adventure. So let's see how it goes. He was a little bit scared to come on the boat, but he's sitting now and he's fine. So let's see how it's gonna go. We should go for like an hour ride to see around, so it should be a good day. Ready? Give them high five. Hey! Blow them kisses. Mwah. Hey! You hear him, honey? Peeping the Pampers.
So we do it.
He's coming back. Tyler is having so much fun. But this boat is rocking out my life right now. We're in the rich people section. The billionaire section is what they call this area. So that's where we're actually passing right now with all these caves. I think these caves, you can go under them, but they're private, so visitors not allowed. But they're really cool, as you can see right here. Ah, that's a cave. That's a big cave right there, right here. Is you doing that? Tyler, I don't think that's safe for you to do. It's another cave? Oh, that's a house right there. $1 billion. You can't afford it. Pee in the Pampers. Ah, Jesus. Yeah.
Continue.
What?